The value of maintaining an active lifestyle. Regular physical activity is the cornerstone of a healthy lifestyle. Being active lowers the risk of chronic diseases, promotes emotional well-being, and improves mental health in addition to physical fitness. Being physically active is one of the best ways to improve your quality of life, whether it be through regular movement or organized exercise. Physical activity benefits. Enhances physical health. It strengthens the lungs and heart, thereby improving cardiovascular health. It enhances muscular elasticity and strength, thereby reducing the risk of injury. It encourages improved balance and posture, particularly as you get older, enhances mental well-being. Exercise helps lower stress and anxiety by releasing endorphins, the body's natural mood enhancers. Frequent exercise enhances the quality of sleep, which enhances mental clarity, lowers the chance of chronic illnesses. Physical activity reduces the risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and some types of cancer. It lessens the burden on internal organs and joints by assisting in the maintenance of a healthy weighted boost vitality and efficiency. Frequent exercise improves blood flow and oxygen supply to tissues, which raises energy levels. Being physically active improves cognitive function and focus, which increases productivity. Methods for maintaining an active lifestyle. 1. Look for things you love. Select pursuits that align with your hobbies, such as hiking, cycling, swimming, or dancing. By varying your workouts, you may avoid boredom and give your body new challenges too. Make movement a part of everyday life for short excursions. Choose to walk or ride your bike rather than drive whenever possible. Use the stairs rather than the elevator. To stay active, do household chores like vacuuming, car washing, or gardening. 3. Establish reasonable objectives. Start with simple goals, like performing yoga for 10 minutes or walking 5,000 steps a day. To develop endurance, gradually increase the length and intensity of your activity. 4. Integrate cardio, strength, and flexibility. Strength training. Use weightlifting, resistance bands, or bodyweight workouts to increase bone density and muscle mass. Cardio. Engage in brisk walking, jogging, cycling, or swimming to strengthen your heart. Flexibility and balance. Stretching activities, yoga, or Pilates can improve mobility and lower the chance of injury. 5. Make it social. To mix exercise and social connection. Sign up for local sports teams or group fitness courses. Exercise becomes more enjoyable and inspiring when done with friends or family, removing obstacles to maintaining an active lifestyle. 1. Insufficient time. Divide your workouts into manageable chunks, such as 3 10-minute walks spaced out throughout the day. Combining activity with everyday chores, like taking a phone conversation while walking, allows you to multitask too. Insufficient drive. Establish clear objectives, such as preparing for a 5K or using an app to track your progress. And treat yourself when you reach milestones, like purchasing new exercise equipment. 3. Physical restrictions. For safe, adapted exercises that meet your needs, speak with a healthcare professional. Try low-impact exercises like chair yoga, tai chi, or swimming. What is your required level of physical activity according to the World Health Organization, WHO, Adults should engage in 75 to 150 minutes of vigorous intensity exercise, or at least 150 to 300 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic activity each week. Incorporate exercises that build muscle twice a week. Children and teenagers should engage in moderate to intense physical activity for at least 60 minutes per day. Monitoring your development to keep track of steps, calories burnt, or workout durations. Use a fitness tracker or app. Maintain a journal to document your feelings following each session, which will enable you to identify improvements. The long-term benefit maintaining an active lifestyle will provide you with. They have a longer lifespan and a lower chance of age-related deterioration. A stronger immune system protects you from disease. Reaching physical objectives can lead to increased self-assurance and a feeling of achievement. You'll improve your body's resiliency and cultivate a happier, more energetic existence if you make exercising a daily priority. Remember that the best exercise is one you can maintain and enjoy. Maintaining an active lifestyle is a science. I believe it requires careful consideration of various factors such as nutrition, exercise, and mental well-being. By integrating these elements thoughtfully, one can achieve a balanced and fulfilling approach to health. It involves understanding the body's needs, the importance of nutrition, and the impact of various forms of exercise. By balancing these elements, one can enhance physical performance and overall well-being. It involves understanding the body's needs, the importance of nutrition, and the impact of various forms of exercise. By balancing these elements, one can enhance physical performance and overall well-being. Regular exercise impacts almost all systems in your body. It improves cardiovascular health, enhances muscle strength, and boosts mental well-being. By integrating physical activity into your daily routine, you can experience increased energy levels and a reduced risk of chronic diseases. Understanding the science behind it could inspire you to make it a lifelong habit. Habit formation is key to sustaining an active lifestyle. By setting realistic goals and finding activities you enjoy, you can create a personalized routine that keeps you motivated and engaged over time. 1. The effects of exercise on your body. The cardiovascular system. By strengthening the heart, exercise increases the heart's capacity to pump blood. Additionally, it lowers cholesterol and blood pressure. Muscular system. Exercise helps maintain muscle mass as you age, boost endurance, and encourage muscle growth. Skeletal system. Walking and resistance training are examples of weight-bearing activities that improve bone density and lower the risk of osteoporosis. Immune system. Engaging in moderate physical activity strengthens your immune system and reduces your vulnerability to disease too. The effects of exercise on the brain. Rises neuroplasticity. Exercise increases neuronal connections and promotes the development of new brain cells, which improves memory and learning. Exercise releases chemicals that make you feel good. Exercise increases dopamine, serotonin, and endorphins, which improve mood and fight sadness. Reduces stress hormones. Exercises that lower cortisol levels, such as yoga or jogging, make you feel calmer. 3. Increasing energy and metabolism. By building muscle mass, exercise increases your metabolism and increases your resting caloric expenditure. You have more energy throughout the day as a result, which makes you less fatigued and more productive. Various forms of exercise. Incorporate these kinds of activities into your fitness regimen to keep it well-rounded. 1. Aerobic activities. Cardio enhance endurance, burn calories, and fortify the heart and lungs. Walking, running, swimming, dancing, cycling, and participating in sports are a few examples. Each week, participants should engage in moderate-intensity aerobic exercise for at least 150 minutes or vigorous intensity aerobic exercise for 75 minutes. 2. Strength training goals. Increase metabolism, increase bone density, and build muscle. Examples include bodyweight exercises, push-ups, squats, tension band training, and weightlifting. You should perform strength training exercises for all major muscle groups twice a week. 3. Adaptability and mobility. The goals are to increase range of motion, lower the chance of injury, and ease stiffness. Examples include Pilates, yoga, and stretching exercises. It is advised to stretch for at least 10 to 15 minutes either as a standalone activity or after working out. 4. Equilibrium and arrangement. The goal is to avoid falls by improving stability, particularly for senior citizens. Examples include Tai Chi and balancing exercises like heel-to-toe walking and standing on one foot. You should incorporate balancing exercises into your weekly routine. Developing a lifelong habit of physical activity. 1. Make an appointment for it. Consider workouts essential to your day. Set aside specified hours for physical activity in a calendar or planner. 2. Have fun. Try several things until you discover what interests you, such as taking a Zumba class, going rock climbing, or paddleboarding. To keep workouts interesting, play music or listen to podcasts. 3. Integrate objectives. Combine exercise with other objectives like training for a charity race, discovering new hiking routes, or taking a casual stroll with friends for monitor development and honor victories. To monitor your progress, use wearable technology, journals, or fitness applications. Celebrate little victories, such as finishing your first 5K or reaching 10,000 steps per day. 5. Maintain your consistency in the face of adversity. Focus on shorter workouts during hectic times, such as brief yoga sessions or 10 to 15 minutes of HIIT. Stretching and walking are beneficial gentle exercises to do when you're healing from an illness or accident. Typical myths regarding exercise. Myth 1. To stay in shape, I need a gym. The truth is that exercises using body weight, at-home routines, or outdoor activities like cycling or jogging are equally effective. Myth 2. It's not a workout if I'm not sweating. Truth. Even though strenuous exercise frequently results in perspiration, stretching and walking can still have a big positive impact on your health. Myth 3. I'm too old to begin working out. The truth is that there's always time at every age. Exercise enhances mobility and health. Senior-focused programs such as aqua aerobics or chair yoga might be excellent places to start. Exercise is a preventive treatment. Consistent research indicates that frequent exercise, this reduces the risk of cancer, including lung, colon, and breast cancer. Prevents dementia. By increasing blood flow to the brain, physical activity lowers the chance of cognitive decline. Controls diabetes. Physical activity increases insulin sensitivity and aids in blood sugar regulation. Active individuals report feeling less depressed and anxious, which promotes mental health. Remaining inspired. 1. Keep your motivation in mind. Consider your motivations, such as lowering health risks, feeling confident, or setting an example for your children too. To avoid boredom, try new exercises or create new challenges, such as learning a new yoga pose or preparing for a marathon. 3. Join a community. Exercise programs, online discussion boards, or neighborhood associations can offer support and accountability, making working out enjoyable. 4. Put progress first, not perfection. Keep in mind that every movement matters. Stretching for even 5 minutes is a start in the right direction. Maintaining an active lifestyle is an investment in your long-term health, happiness, and vitality. It's not just about appearances. There's always a method to move that suits your lifestyle, regardless of your age or degree of fitness. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel.